TrueType font. This is the standard font format developed by Apple and Microsoft. You simply double-click it and hit Install to use it in any program on your PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install it. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective TTF file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. TTF files are TrueType font files containing scalable typeface outlines and hinting instructions for rendering text at any size on screen and in print. Developed by Apple and licensed to Microsoft, TrueType is the most universally supported font format across Windows, macOS Linux, and mobile platforms for both system and application use. TrueType TTF files use the SFNT table structure storing glyph tables, with quadratic Bezier spline outlines, cmap tables for Unicode character mapping, hinting instructions for screen rendering optimization, and name tables for font family metadata. The format supports up to 65,536 glyphs with comprehensive typographic features. The fundamental reading standard for TTF is set by Microsoft Windows Font Viewer from Microsoft Corporation. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows can load new font styles immediately after installation for many apps. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the TTF file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Windows Font Viewer first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If the TTF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, installing on Windows. Right-click the TTF file and select Install or Install for all users. The font immediately becomes available in all Windows applications. For bulk installation, select multiple TTF files, right-click, and install together. Alternatively, drag TTF files into the C Windows Fonts directory or the Settings Fonts panel. Next, installing on macOS. Double-click the TTF file to open it in Font Book, which displays a font preview. Click Install Font to add it to your collection. Font Book validates the font and installs it to your user or system font library. Installed fonts appear immediately in all applications without requiring a restart. Finally, troubleshooting font problems. If a TTF font appears corrupted or renders incorrectly validated using Font Book on macOS or a font validation tool on Windows. Clear font caches using system commands specific to your OS. For fonts that cause application crashes, remove the font and reinstall. Use FontForge to inspect and repair damaged TTF files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.